Welcome to How to Use JobCrypt. JobCrypt is a decentralized job board that sits on the EVM. This version is the public alpha, which is sitting on the Alpha Euros testnet of the CeeLo network. To see the jobs which are available on JobCrypt, you need to simply click to connect your MetaMask or browse the wallet. Once it's connected, the jobs that are available and the popular jobs will be listed here, and so you can apply for this job, and you can also search for the jobs using the search field. So for example, we'll put in Web3. This will take you to the search results page, and you need to engage in your browser wallet again, and this will give you the details of the jobs that are available and how old they are. In order to see the jobs details, you simply click details, this will take you to the details page. You simply click to engage your MetaMask once more. That connects you to the blockchain, and then you just simply wait, and the details of the job will appear as we have here.